Most cars turn into money pits once the warranty ends, but Hondas are built differently. These 10 models deliver unbeatable reliability, low running costs, and strong resale value even years down the road. And number 3? Owners report over 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Number 10. 2017 Honda Accord Hybrid. Kicking things off at number 10 is the 2017 Honda Accord Hybrid. This car is the perfect blend of Honda's classic reliability and smart, modern tech. When new, it started around $29,155 and came with a sophisticated 2-liter 4-cylinder and electric motor combination that produces a healthy 212 horsepower. While some early hybrids from other brands gave people anxiety about giant battery replacement costs, Honda's 2-motor hybrid system in this Accord has proven to be incredibly solid. You get the comfortable, well-built sedan the Accord is known for, but with an EPA rating that can hit nearly 50 miles per gallon. For an owner out of warranty, that's a huge saving at the gas pump. The key here is that the bones of the car are classic Honda, durable and built for the long haul. While it's always smart to check the battery health on a used hybrid, these systems have shown themselves to be remarkably tough, earning excellent reliability ratings from owners. This makes the 2017 Accord Hybrid a brilliant choice for long-term ownership. But if you need more space for the whole family and a more commanding view of the road, our number 9 pick is waiting.
So, can we make it there before the next light?
Number 9. 2015 Honda Pilot. Sliding into our number 9 spot is the 2015 Honda Pilot. This was the final year of the generation before the Pilot adopted its softer, more minivan-like look, representing the peak of its refinement. Under the hood is Honda's workhorse, 3.5-liter J35 V6, an engine legendary for its smooth power and durability, delivering 250 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque. For a lot of fans, this Pilot's truckish, square-jawed design is a huge part of its charm. With a starting price of around $28,470 when new, this SUV is a master of practicality, with 3 rows of actual usable seats, tons of cargo space, and an all-wheel drive system that makes it a perfect all-weather family machine. So why is it a great post-warranty buy? Because it's mechanically simple and tough as nails. The one big thing you have to watch for is the VCM, or Variable Cylinder Management System. It was designed to save fuel by shutting down cylinders, but it can lead to problems like fouled spark plugs. The good news? The owner community has figured this out, and there are well-known aftermarket devices that solve the issue, leaving you with a rock-solid V6 SUV that's ready for anything. Now, while this Pilot is a master of hauling people, our next car is an overlooked master of just sipping fuel. Number 8. 2014 Honda Insight. Our number 8 pick is a car that too many people sleep on, the 2014 Honda Insight. While the Prius was soaking up all the media attention, Honda was quietly making this super reliable and efficient hybrid. When it debuted, it was one of the most affordable hybrids in the US, with a starting price of just $19,800. The Insight knows exactly what it is: an affordable, no-frills, fuel-sipping machine that is absolutely perfect for getting around town. Its reliability is rooted in simplicity. The integrated motor assist IMA hybrid system is less complex than its rivals, pairing a tough little 1.3-liter gas engine with an electric motor to produce a combined 98 horsepower. That combination is famously durable, with owners consistently giving it high marks for reliability. Owners regularly see fuel economy in the mid-40s without even trying. As a used car, the insight means your running costs will be incredibly low. The only catch? They aren't as common as Civics, so finding one might take a little more searching. But the dependable Honda powertrain makes it well worth the hunt. The Insight is perfect for a solo commuter, but if your daily drive involves a full crew, our number 7 spot is the undisputed king of the carpool lane. Number 7. 2017 Honda Odyssey. At number 7, we have the king of the carpool lane, the 2017 Honda Odyssey. When you have a family, a minivan is less of a choice and more of a necessity. And if you need a used one, you can truly count on. This is it. It's powered by that same bulletproof 3.5-liter J-Series V6 from the Pilot, putting out 248 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. The interior is just genius, with flexible seating, endless storage, and features that make parents' lives easier. With a starting price of around $28,885 when new, these Odysseys are a fantastic post-warranty bet because Honda had sorted out the transmission troubles that affected some earlier versions. The transmissions in these models are solid, but here's the key. They need regular fluid changes. Don't skip it. Do that, and you'll have a comfortable, reliable family hauler that can easily sail past 200,000 miles. But what if you don't need all that space and want something a little more modern and city-friendly? Our next pick might be exactly what you're looking for. Number 6. 2020 Honda HR-V, breaking into the top 6, is one of Honda's newer hits, the 2020 Honda HR-V. This little crossover is the perfect mix of SUV utility and small car efficiency. It's built on the same platform as the Honda Fit, which means it gets the incredible Magic Seat system, giving it a shockingly versatile cargo space that puts some bigger SUVs to shame. Power comes from a trusty 1.8-liter four-cylinder, making 141 horsepower, and it started at an affordable $20,155. Now, some people get nervous when they hear CVT, but Honda's version from this era has proven to be one of the more reliable and smooth units out there, helping the HR-V get great gas mileage. For someone whose warranty just ran out, the HR-V is a great pick. It's modern enough to feel current, but its mechanicals are simple enough to promise a low-cost, stress-free ownership experience for years to come. The HR-V is a fantastic modern crossover, but coming in at number 5 is the heavyweight champion that arguably defined the entire compact SUV segment. All right. We're at the halfway point. If you're already picturing one of these in your driveway and finding this guide helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It makes a huge difference for the channel. And if you want more videos on smart car buying, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Now, let's get back to the countdown with number 5. Number 5. 2016 Honda CR-V. Taking the number 5 spot is the heavyweight champion of compact SUVs, the 2016 Honda CR-V. For millions of drivers, this is the default, do-it-all vehicle, and for very good reason. This generation, which started around $22,295, is powered by the iconic 2.4-liter K24 engine, producing 185 horsepower, and is famous for being practically bulletproof and easy to service. The CR-V's magic is in its simple, perfect formula. A comfortable ride, a huge and practical cargo area, available all-wheel drive, and an interior built to handle the chaos of daily life. Once the warranty is up, these things are a dream to own. Parts are everywhere and they're cheap. The one famous quirk to listen for is a brief rattle or grinding noise on a cold start. It's most likely the VTC actuator. While it sounds scary, it's a known issue that rarely causes real engine damage. Overall, its blend of pure practicality and K-series reliability makes it one of the safest bets you can make on the used market. But while the CR-V is a master of practicality, our next car proves that big utility can come in a very small and very clever package. Number 4. 2013 Honda Fit. Up next, at number 4, is the mighty little giant, the 2013 Honda Fit. The Fit is a masterclass in smart design. It's a tiny car that feels huge on the inside, all thanks to its tall roof and the game-changing Magic Seat system that lets you flip and fold the interior to carry almost anything. It's the perfect car for city life, or for anyone who values cheap, practical transportation. Its post-warranty greatness comes from its pure simplicity. The 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine makes a fun 117 horsepower and has a reputation for being nearly indestructible as long as you keep up with oil changes. With a new price starting around $15,325, they're a blast to drive, a breeze to park, and ridiculously cheap to own. Many sources consider the 2012 to 2013 models a sweet spot for reliability. You might have to replace an ignition coil pack at higher mileage, but it's a super cheap part, and a 10-minute fix you can do yourself in the driveway. For sheer utility and rock-solid mechanics, the Fit is an absolute hero. As great as the Fit is, our number 3 car is perhaps the most recognizable name in the entire compact car world. Number 3. 2015 Honda Civic. In at number 3 is maybe the most recognizable name in the compact world, the 2015 Honda Civic. After a slight dip in quality with the previous model, Honda came roaring back with this generation, refocusing on core reliability. The 1.8-liter R-Series engine inside is a legend of dependability, delivering 143 horsepower and is known for blowing past 200,000 miles without breaking a sweat. These Civics are brilliant out-of-warranty cars because they sip fuel, parts cost next to nothing, and everyone knows how to work on them. With a starting price of around $15,800, they rarely have a problem you can't fix affordably. The main knock against them is that the interior can feel a bit plasticky, but the trade-off is that those hard plastics are incredibly tough and look good even after years of abuse. For cheap, reliable, and worry-free driving, this Civic is almost impossible to beat, with Kelley Blue Book reviewers giving it a 4.8 out of 5 for reliability. But if you want to step up in size, comfort, and style, our runner-up is one of the best sedans ever made. Number 2. 2017 Honda Accord. Our runner-up, taking the number 2 spot, is the 2017 Honda Accord. Many will argue this is one of the best mid-size sedans ever built, and its post-warranty reputation is spotless. This generation gave you 2 incredible engine choices: the efficient 2.4-liter K, 24 four-cylinder with 185 horsepower, or the buttery smooth 3.5-liter J35 V6, making a powerful 278 horsepower. This Accord took a big step up in quality, with a premium-feeling interior, a quiet ride, and modern tech. Starting at an original MSRP of about $21,680, it hit the reliability sweet spot, avoiding the transmission quirks of some older models and the complexity of the newer turbos. One of the few common issues is a starter motor that can wear out on the four-cylinder models after 100,000 miles, but it's a predictable and easy repair. For its amazing blend of comfort, style, and near-perfect reliability, this Accord is an outstanding long-term car. The Accord is nearly perfect, but our number one pick is a surprising and brilliantly unconventional choice that mixes car-like comfort with incredible, one-of-a-kind utility. Number 1. 2014 Honda Ridgeline. And now, for our number 1 pick. The best, most reliable modern Honda to own after the warranty is gone might just surprise you. The 2014 Honda Ridgeline. This specific year represents the absolute peak of the first-generation model, earning top-tier reliability ratings that put it at the head of its class. The Ridgeline is a brilliant, unconventional truck. Instead of a clunky body-on-frame design, it uses a unibody platform, which gives it a smooth, car-like ride that traditional pickups can't touch. It's powered by the proven 3.5-liter J35 V6, making 250 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, so its reliability is never in question. Its genius is in the features: the dual-action tailgate that opens down or swings out, and the legendary lockable, weatherproof in-bed trunk. When new, it started at $29,575. The biggest job you'll face is a timing belt replacement around 100,000 miles. But that's a scheduled service, not a surprise failure. For its unmatched mix of clever utility, comfort, and chart-topping dependability, the 2014 Honda Ridgeline is the undisputed champion of post-warranty Hondas. If you found these Hondas impressive, wait until you see the flip side. In our previous feature, we revealed the 10 most expensive supercars money can buy in 2025. Cars that cost millions, but don't always deliver the value. Check it out next and see how different the world of car ownership can be.